Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install this Chamberlain smart garage opener with camera. This is model B6753T. This particular model comes with lifetime motor and belt warranty. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. The garage door opener has a lot of parts inside, but do not feel intimidated because the instructions are very detailed, and I hope that this video will help you as well. I'm gonna start with assembling the rail. I aligned the rail sections on my garage floor. Make sure that this section with a yellow sticker and a cutout window is in the very front. Now, with a bit of force, push the rail sections together. As you can see, one of 4 wear pods dropped out from the inner trolley during shipping, and now I need to snap it back into position. Slide the trolley and insert the U-bracket. Before placing a unit on the garage floor, put some soft material like a styrofoam under it. It will protect cover from scratches. As a support for the front end of the rail, I use a box from the unit. Take this bolt with a lock nut and insert the bolt into the cover protection bolt hole on the back end of the rail. Tighten the lock nut. Remove the bolts from the top of the motor unit. Place the U-bracket flat side down onto the motor unit and align the bracket holes with the bolt holes. Use previously removed bolts and fasten the U-bracket. Do not use any power tools. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the rail tab until the tab is vertical. Take the belt and grasp the end with the hook trolley connector and pass it through the window. Remove the tape from the idler pulley. The inside center should be pre-lubricated. Insert the idler bolt from the top through the rail and pulley. Tighten with a lock washer and nut underneath the rail until the lock washer is compressed. As a temporary stop, I inserted a screwdriver into the hole in the second rail section from the motor unit. Pull the belt around the idler pulley and toward the trolley. Hook the trolley connector into the retaining slot on the trolley. With the trolley against the screwdriver, dispense the remainder of the belt along the rail length toward the motor unit and around the sprocket. The sprocket teeth must engage the belt. The sprocket comes pre-lubricated. Apply the lubricant around the sprocket teeth. Connect the trolley threaded shaft with the master link. Push pins of master link bar through the holes in the end of belt and trolley threaded shaft. Push master link cap over pins and past pin notches. Slide the close end of the clip-on spring over one of the pins. Push the open end of the clip-on spring onto the other pin. I'm using a flathead screwdriver for it. Insert the trolley threaded shaft through the hole in the trolley. By hand, thread the spring trolley nut on the threaded shaft until it is finger tight against the trolley. Do not use any tools. This is the spring before release, and this is the spring after release. Take the sprocket cover and position it over the sprocket and fasten to the mounting plate with hex screws provided. So this is the center of my garage door, and unfortunately, where I need to install my garage door opener, I have an attic access door. So this is my old garage door opener. As you can see, it was installed too far from the center. I'm gonna take this support bracket and move it as close as I can to the frame of the attic door. This way I can install my new garage door opener as close as I can to the center of my garage door. Before moving to the next step, I need to remove my old garage door opener. This is where I'm gonna install my garage door opener. Now I can start installing the door bracket with self-threaded screws. Now I need to move this 6x2 to the center of the door bracket. Later on this 6x2 I'm gonna install the header bracket. Install the header bracket with the arrow pointing toward the ceiling. Position the opener on the garage floor below the header bracket. Use packing material as a protective base. Use the biggest clevis pin to attach the rail to the header bracket. Insert a ring fastener to secure. Attach the support bracket. I didn't have an outlet for my garage door opener, so I removed a light and installed a new outlet. I just built this huge stand to position the garage door opener, and you know what? It works. And also I want to show you that the garage door opener is perfectly leveled. Hang the garage door opener using hanging brackets. Cut each hanging bracket to the required length. Attach the garage door opener to the hanging brackets with the hex bolts, lock washers, and nuts. When the garage door opener is attached to the support brackets, remove a support stand. Attach the emergency release rope and handle. Disconnect the trolley by pulling the emergency release handle. Using the smallest clevis pin, attach the straight door arm to the outer trolley, secure with a ring fastener. Using the last clevis pin, attach the curved door arm to the door bracket. Find two pairs of holes that line up and join sections. Select holes as far apart as possible to increase door arm rigidity and attach using the bolts, nuts, and lock washers. For the next step, you'll need a door control and white and red wires. Wiring a door control is very simple, just strip a bit of insulation from both ends and connect wires. R is for the red one and W is for the white one. When you find the place for your door control, install a bottom screw. Position the bottom hole of the door control over the screw and slide down into place. Lift the push bar up and install the top screw. Run wire from the door control to the garage door opener. I use a staple gun to attach the wire to the wall and ceiling. On the top of your garage door opener, you'll have a small hole where you need to insert your wires. Connect the red wire to the red terminal and white wire to the white terminal. It is very easy, just push the orange part of the terminal and insert the wire. Slide the curved arms of the sensor bracket around the edge of the door track. Snap into place so that the sensor bracket is flush against the track. Make sure that the center of the sensor is no more than 6 inches from the floor. The safety reversing sensors must be connected and aligned correctly. Attach wire to the wall and ceiling. Separate the sensor wires and strip insulation from each end. Twist the two white and black wires together and then twist the two white wires together. Insert wires into the hole on the top of your garage door opener. Insert the white wires into the white terminal. Insert white and black wires into the black terminal. Now let's plug it in. The LED lights are so bright. Now let's try to test it and close the door. And it's closing. Awesome. And now let's try to open this up using a door control. Everything works. Great. Install a backup battery. Connect the black and red wires from the garage door opener to the corresponding terminals on the battery. And insert the battery. Also, I need to do one test to see if sensors are working. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to install my Q app on your smartphone. Now you can control, secure and monitor your garage with the My Q app anytime from anywhere.